Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So iOS 14 launched on September 16, 2020, and after that there are a lot many videos regarding the new feature that is in iOS 14 about the customization of your home screen. And I think in iPhones we don't customize it that much, and I never used to do that, and I never thought of customize my home screen and give it a new look. But after seeing so many videos I was like, yeah, I need to give it a change. But I was not so sure whether the iPhone 6s will support this iOS 14 or not, or whether I can download it or not, because it's a huge file, means a huge update. So I cleared out certain so many things. I decluttered my whole iPhone and organize it nicely. So I thought of sharing this thing with you, how I customize and make it look aesthetically nicer, more fall times, like more orangish and fall vibes is going on right now on my phone. So till iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s plus, the iOS 14 will support up to this, and iPhone 6 and below that iPhones will not support iOS 14. So that I get to know after researching about it. So I will show you how I organized my iPhone 6s and how I was able to update my phone to iOS 14, as iOS 14 requires a lot of space. So I cleared out lot of junk items from my mobile phones. Like there are a lot of photos and lot of WhatsApp messages and so many things cluttered up in my phone. So I removed all those things, I cleared up everything, and then I started with you can say the theme and how to do it. So I used one thing, that is a color widget and shortcuts. So those are the most simple ways that you can easily customize your home screen plus the way you want to look at. And if you don't want to clutter it, you will go by the way I will tell you. So the first thing that I do, I will explain you in a bit, like how I did everything, like how I customized my phone. Hopefully you like it, and it's like my first video. I've never tried like this kind of making this kind of video. I thought of sharing it with you because it's like a little bit of related to minimalism, a little bit related to digital minimalism, like decluttering our phones. Most of the time we forget about that. So, and make it more aesthetically pleasing. The first thing we do, like while waking up in the morning and right before going to bed, we use our mobiles or just set it aside. So that's why the main theme that is going around in my home screen is very simple. The two things that I require, it's like to-do list and a meditation app. So let me show. So right now you can see my home screen. So you can only see a clock, that's simple, and a calendar over there, and it's very simple. And I did it with the help of color widget, and with the color widget I will show you, like it's very simple how to do this thing particularly. So here you can see I've opened up the color widget, and here you can get a lot of options regarding color, like which color font you want, which kind of theme you want. The first thing I will suggest you to pick up a good like wallpaper or theme from Pinterest, like I'll show you there. So you can search over here like iPhone wallpapers, and you can go by the vibe of fall, because right now fall is around the corner. So you can see a lot of suggestions. You can see over here, you can see the aesthetic iPhone wallpapers are also there. So there are a lot many options, and I was so confused with it, like which one to choose. So anyhow, I liked this one only, like this orangish bluish kind of vibe is going on, and I really liked it. And I think because it's so easy to customize your home screen now, I'm going to change it like with every season. I'm definitely going to do that. And previously it was so like dull, but now it's like so beautiful and so nice. So then I was telling you about this particular color widget thing. Those color widgets help you to choose like what you want, like what is going with your theme. Like if you want like fall vibe, fall theme, so you can choose any of that. And even you can let me explain. Like I set this one, like this will show you preview widget, and then you can go to edit widget, And now you can see you want a square one, or you want a landscape one, or a bigger one. According to your preferences, you can set it up here. You can want a light background, or a colored background, or a dark background, whatever theme you want to set up in your phone, plus fonts. And you can even choose photo, like whatever photo you want, you can add in that background. And then you just set the widget, and when you go to your iPhone in the home screen, you just need to press over here, like it's already got changed, and in here you can see a plus mark over here, so you can add your widget from here. See, a color widget is over here. Now you can add your widgets very easily. And then you can see I have added one more thing, is our to-do list, meditation app, and one motivation. This one is, I love this one very much because it is changing like 10 times in a day. It will change and will send you quotations regarding positive affirmations, and I really like the theme, so that's why I've added this one. And here you can see a meditation app. I created this app icons from Shortcuts. So from Shortcuts it's very easy to create. Even the phone and telephone that you can see in the lower part, you can see here I have added one cute little telephone icon and one camera icon. I loved it, so that's why I've added this one, and that you can do easily from Shortcuts. So let me show you how I did that. And the very good feature of iOS 14, I liked it, this app library. Here you can find anything, and it's so easy to get it. So the first thing I'll do, I'll go to the Shortcuts. So here you can see, so after going to the shortcut, you need to add this plus button, and then in the downward you can search for the apps you want to change. So suppose I will start with open app. So you get open app, and then here you need to choose which app icon you want to change. So suppose you want to change Instagram icon, suppose you want to change it. So then you need to press this three little dots over here in the above right corner. So you need to add this one, then add to home screen, and then here you can change, like choose photo from here. So whatever, so there are so many photos over here, so you can add whatever you want. Suppose you want to add this one, or any other photo you want to add related to Instagram, so you can add that one. And then here you can create Insta, something like that, you want to create something, so you can add it over here, and it's added to your home screen, and it's done. So it's that simple, guys. So you can see over here it's already added here in your home screen, and you can go with whatever vibe you want in your home screen, and it's so easy to make. So hopefully guys you liked this particular tutorial. It's not a tutorial in sense, but it's like a little bit of making you understand like how to change your home screen and how to customize your home screen more aesthetically. And you can do it so easily. It's so easy, and you can keep it minimal like the way I have kept it, and it's so easy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and support my channel so that I can make such videos for you. I love minimalism, so I'll continue make videos on that. So let's support each other and make a community, make a very happy community over here. So take care guys. Bye.